Hello, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Tórónet mobile application. Okay, so I'm logged in into my account and I'm going to actually obtain 10 Toros by simply depositing 10 US dollars from my card and obtaining 10 Toros from me because the exchange rate for Toros is 1 Toros to US dollars. All right. So I'm going to click this and it's going to take me to the payment processor. At this point, I'm going to pause this video so I can put in my card information. All right, so we're just going to take a quick pause. Okay, so we'll continue. I'm going to press the button to proceed. Now it's processing. It's processing at the gateway and it's going to redirect me as the instruction on the screen says once the payment is successfully completed. All right, so it looks like it was successful and now it has returned me back to the application. All right, so I started with a 19 Toro balance and now I should get an additional 10. I'm just going to refresh so that my balance would reflect, and so now I have 29, and that completes this first demonstration of the Tórónet mobile app.